What's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribe now. We appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. Please like, smash and share. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson WorkForce WF2820 DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this gear. This printer is using ink cartridges 603 or 603 extra large. You can connect this printer to Wi-Fi network and USB cable or Wi-Fi direct. This printer, in terms of the printing speed, is 10.0 print per minute for black and 5.0 print for colored. You can print two-sided with this printer, which is 6.0 for black and 4.0 for colored. Scan resolution is 1200 by 2400 dpi. Print resolution 5760 by 1440 dpi. This printer is compatible with Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or later, Windows XP, XP3, Windows XP Professional, Windows Server, Mac iOS. Connection, like I said, wireless, Wi-Fi direct and USB cable. This printer, you can print, copy and scan and fax. You can print auto two-sided print with rear paper input, mobile printing with LCD scan. Basically, this printer, what we're going to do is to show you how to install the ink. It's using ink cartridges 603. To give you an overview of this printer, from the back here, this is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging, and just by the side here you have the USB cable spot. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Tech store, free delivery here in UK. So the USB cable goes here, Ethernet cable goes here. Okay, now if you have any paper jam, I do get questions about paper jam. This is where to check. Open up this section and check for any paper jam and debris. So this section underneath here, you check for any paper jam and debris and gently remove it. Once you're done, close it. So put this back. There are springs here. Okay, just need to press it together and put it back. Okay, it's in. Now lift this section. This is the rear paper tray. Like I said, this printer uses rear paper tray. So you load particular paper. You want to use A4 paper, 4x6, various size photo paper, various size of paper you want to use, and stick it in here and adjust it. Okay, so adjust it to this end, it will be a photo paper. So extremely end is A4 paper. Okay, now this is the LCD screen. So with this LCD screen, you select the function, what you want to do, and this is the scanner, flat bed scanner. You stick your document you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner and select the function. Okay, and what we want to do is also, this is the where the document will rest. Okay, so just make sure you bring it out, okay, so that your document will rest. Once you print it out, it will stay on top here. Okay, now I'm going to open up this printer. Once you open it up, the ink cartridges holder is here to the side. Okay, this is where the ink goes. Now what we need to do is we need to start, okay, selecting the function, things we need to do to set up this printer. Then we'll go from there. Okay, to set up this printer, we need to first of all select your language. Okay, so now this printer picks up English language. I'm United Kingdom. So depending on the country you reside, this is applicable to every other country. You just need to select your language. If you want to see your language, you can scroll down. Okay, use the down arrow to select your language. You can select France, Dutch. So just use the down arrow. Okay, Indonesia, Japanese, okay, Latvia. So you can just use the Norsk, Polsk. So you can use various, this Portugal. Okay, Romania. So you can use the down arrow to select even Spanish. Okay, select your language. Okay, so I'm going to go use go back up to select English. Okay, here we go, English. Once you select English, once you select a language, select OK. Okay, now select then country, region, United Kingdom. Okay, select OK. Okay, daylight saving time, you can select daylight saving time off or on. Okay, so if you want daylight and saving time on, you select if you want it off, you select off. Okay, and now date, select the date. Okay, today, so you can select the date format you want, start from day, month and year. Okay, so start from day 20. Okay, so select the date format, select OK for the date format, then you select the date. Okay, so you can use arrow. Okay, if you make any mistake, then use the back arrow to go back. So we're in 2022. Okay, and select OK. Now time, select 24 hours time, then you put the time. Okay, 11:30 a.m. okay, and select OK. Okay, now it's preparing. Okay, you can see it's preparing, so we just need to wait. Okay, so now we just wait for the preparation. Okay, now you can see install cartridges that came with the printer and start initialization. Okay, so what we need to do now is lift up the printer. You can see the cartridges holder is right here. Okay, so you move away from the corner to just before the center and waiting for us to install the ink. So this is what we are going to do now. We're going to install the ink. Okay, so I have the cartridges here that came with this printer. So to install the cartridges, this is pretty much color explanatory. The black first, yellow, magenta and cyan. Okay, so you can see there are stickers on top of, okay, this ink cartridges holder. There are stickers on top of it. So you just need to follow that instruction. Okay, but just to do it so that it will not confuse you. So what I'm doing now is to put, first of all, we're going to put the black color. Okay, so this is the black ink cartridges. If you are bringing this out, make sure you don't touch this chip. Okay, and also the next thing you need to do is you need to pull this. Okay, make sure you pull it off. This is air vent, so that the air will flow out from here. If you leave it on the printer, the ink will not work. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to go into the black color. Okay, push it down. Okay, can see the black is in. The next on the list is yellow. Okay, open it up. Open up the yellow, bring out the ink, pull off the air vent. Okay, now go into the yellow, push it down and it's in. The next is magenta. Okay, open it up, bring it out. Okay, pull off air vent. Now go in, push it down. Okay, now the last but not the least is cyan. This light blue. Okay, cyan, bring it out. Okay, pull off air vent, pull. Okay, we'll go in, push it down. Here we go. Okay, so this is how to install the ink, and once you're done, The next to do is close the printer, okay, and press start. Okay, so the next is to do is press start. Now it's checking the ink cartridges is what it's doing. So it's now checking the ink. Here we go. Now what it's doing now is initialization is taking place. You can see initialization is going to take about 6 minutes. There are a line, okay, on the screen. So this line need to go to the end. So this initialization is going to take about 6 minutes. This is how to install the ink. Here we go. It's progressing slow and steady, so it's going to take about 6 minutes. Initialization is taking place. So I just want you to see the whole process. I also want to mention that you can also replace one individual ink. Okay, so you can save money by only replacing one color used. Okay, so which is a great feature. Instead of replacing all the ink, so you can select one particular one that is run out. Okay, so you can replace one. I also want to mention about Ready Print Flex. Okay, Ready Print Flex, basically you enjoy the freedom to print with hassle-free ink and print plan. You never run out of ink again, so you can print 10 pages of document a month. Okay, this is in United Kingdom. The price may vary in different country. Okay, and initialization is complete. Okay, so let me tell you that you can print 10 pages document a month from 0.99p or 30 prints 30 pages per month for £1.99, or 50 pages per month £2.99, or 100 pages per month for £4.49, or 300 pages document per month for £9.99, or 500 pages document a month for £16.49. But you need to sign up. Okay, so this is pay as you go. Add ready print to your current printer and you will be notified before your ink run out. No contract. This is just pay as you go. Okay, so you can sign up now at Ready Print. Can do this from Epson website. So now the ink cartridges holder, the ink initialization is complete. So the next you need to do is click done. Okay, so now check out my next video. We need to load the paper tray and adjust the print head. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.